My last Instapot unboxing, I noticed that the Instapot had dents in it, and I did contact Instapot about it, and I gotta be fair to these guys. I was a little upset with them when they said they don't have parts for these as far as to fix things with, but the only parts they have are maybe like tops and seals and the actual bottoms and stuff. Now, I don't know what I'm getting here, to be honest with you. It's the same model number, but I'm not sure if I'm getting the whole thing or not. I'm thinking I'm just getting a bottom, but let's see. Well, there's another one in here, and it appears to be pretty heavy. Another box, I should say. Well, let's take this one apart, see what we got. Well, there's a cover. Here's a set of books. I'm not going to go into detail. You can look back at my last video on the unboxing, and sure enough, get this out of the way. A whole complete leather Instapot, and no dents in the side. That is amazing. Now, I'm also going to look on here. There isn't a call tag or anything for the old one, so I guess they're just going to trust that I dispose of that one. Let's look inside. Yes, everything's inside here too. The ladles and the measuring cup, and this is interesting. If you look at this one, this does not have the handles on it. How about that? That's interesting. So yeah, it did come with everything again. They told me because of the dent was so close, you can see here on this one there are no dents. And because the dent was so close to the proximity of the control panel, they were sending me a new one. So kudos to Instapot. That is amazing. Yes, it is the same exact model. And I never did get anything back as far as if I should be sending the old one back or not. But I'll do as they say. I will dump that one. So thank you, Instapot. That is absolutely amazing. No dents, and I do appreciate that. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.
If you're liking these videos, please subscribe to my grandpa's channel. Hit the subscribe button right here. I think it's here. Oh well, thank you.